Searching is good, finding is better. Today I'm going to show you the new Docusnap Enterprise Search and how to use it to get your search results even faster. More after the intro. We all love Docusnap's automatic inventory because it takes a lot of work off our shoulders. The fact that the database in the background gets bigger and bigger doesn't bother us at first. Memory doesn't cost anything anymore. But unfortunately, the clarity is also lost. It's a good thing that Docusnap has such a powerful search function, which also scans the last corners of the database. However, due to the enormous size of the Docusnap database, the search may take a long time. But if, for example, we only want to know quickly how our DNS servers are called, it makes no sense to search all the tables in the huge Docusnap database. It would be sufficient to look only in the server roles. And that's exactly what the Enterprise Search released with the Docusnap 11 Service Pack 1 does. We now can restrict in which tables or areas we want to search, and that makes the search lightning fast. Sounds theoretically, but is very practical. Let me show you. First we open the search and then the settings. Here we can now enable the Enterprise Search and set the frequency of the index update. You can find all configured searches under the search index item. We have already predefined a few, so you can get started right away. But of course, you can also easily extend the Enterprise Search according to your own needs. For example, let's create a search for the server roles. To do this, we click on Add Object at the top here, and then go through the usual tree structure to the point we want. By the way, you can see which nodes are already indexed by the check marks. So save and immediately start indexing. Then let's search for all servers with the DNS role. And very quickly we have the result we want. Back here I can see which servers are involved, or with double click the corresponding system opens in the Data Explorer. That's how simple the Enterprise Search works, and you get the result you want in no time. The secret is, of course, to limit the search to small sub-levels of Docusnap. An Enterprise Search at client or domain level makes no sense, because a search of all tables would be necessary again. With this in mind, don't waste any more time searching, but find whatever you want quickly and easily. Hope to see you next time. Bye bye.